like everybody. This is Dane from the Local Study Centre of Aberdeenshire Library Services. This is part 3 of Aberdeenshire Witches podcast. I hope you enjoy it.
So the sort of things that became slightly more different from that was, and mainly done at this time by neighbours. A lot of it was to do with disputes in local communities, and you'd have things like they were the accused person was guilty of somehow making next door neighbour's cow not produce milk, or that their butter went sour, or they were accused of casting chants or what they called cantrips, which may, just coincidentally of course, cause the next door neighbour to have a sweating fit, and of course things like dancing and making merry, playing the violin, going out at night. Of course, this is common for us now, and we've got plenty of places where we go and socially enjoy ourselves, to go down to the disco. In latter 16th century Scotland, pretty well the only place you could go would be either the market cross, which is, or you would go to the local church and the graveyard, and you might, meet a few friends there, and before you know it, you're having a drink and so on, and you're dancing. That would be enough to get you accused. There was a lot of jealousy about land, particularly, because at that time, you were having the system of tax, and maybe the tack was, you pushed it over into somebody else's tack, and they didn't like it, and so they made accusations of like that. And then there was the more types of accusation about the devil riding white horses, and things like shape shifting into different animals, and so all of these accusations and the tortures that went with it was to get to a point where they confessed. And of course they confessed, who wouldn't? Sometimes they offered them, if they made accusations themselves, the accused, to others, they would go lenient on them, but then in the end they didn't. They recanted that. That's the judicial officers. And I suppose then when we got to the actual trial, the trial was a formality, but at the end of it, it was a conviction, and the conviction then led to the execution. And
That's all the time we have. Please stay tuned for part 4, which will be coming up very soon. And if you like these podcasts, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.